Standard 2nd, English, chapter number 9, Lazy Bears by Watermelon. Textbook exercise continue from page number 90. Mother, here they have given talk. Words in the pair and complete the dialogues. You can use words given in the bracket with each dialogue. Example given, Meera, oh, this dog is sniffing my feet. Jaya, don't worry, he is my pet dog. So second is given, you have to check that in the picture, that mother, goodness gracious, the bucket is overflowing. Hema, don't worry, I will close the tap. So here bucket is full with water. So mother is speaking the dialogue, goodness gracious, the bucket is overflowing. So Hema is telling that don't worry, I will close the tap. Here in the bracket they have given close the tap. Okay, so we have to use just I will. Here in this, Salman, oh, there is mud on my shoes. Anita, he is showing that there is mud on my shoes. So Anita, never mind, wipe them with this cloth. Wipe them. So what we have to add? With this cloth, just we have to add with in the given bracket. So we have to write answer with wipe them with this cloth. Raja, I can't solve this sum. Kapil, never mind, ask a teacher or I will help you. So in this, from these two we have to write any one. I will help you to solve it. So here you have to write answer from here. Okay, so I will help you instead of I will help you to solve it. Listen to the sentence in which your teacher say some words loudly. Tick the correct words. So here SU and sun, you have to do tick mark. Then in second, WEEK, week. In third, SEAC. 4, HARE, hair. 5, HOLE, hole. And 6, THEIR, there. Here I have to speak and you have to do tick mark, but I am showing you the answer. So just tick it. Read aloud. CL means when all these words are given, it begins with CL, means clown. CLOWN, clown. Close, cloth, class, means all these words begins with CL. Now second, all the words will begins with PL and last SC. Okay. Please, PLEASE, please. PLOT, plot. PLANT, plant. PLUCK, pluck. Now all these words begins with SC. SCARF, scarf. SCRUB, scrub. SCOOTER, scooter. SCREE, screen. Now match and read the rhyming pair. Clown, frown. Plant, slant. Class, glass. Plot, slot. Continue from page number 92. Exercise A. Circle the special names in these words. So Ranu live in Delhi. So which are the special name? Ranu and Delhi is the special name. I have taught you before in the before chapter. Ratan has a big house. So which is the naming one? Ratan is given naming word. My dog's name is Jackie. So Jackie is the naming word. Mr. Roy is a good teacher. So Mr. Roy is the special name given to the doctor. Mr. Roy is a good doctor. So we will do circle on the naming, special naming word. So Mr. Roy. Remember, this special naming begins with a capital letter. So you can see all the naming words begins with the capital letter. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters. New Delhi is the capital of India. So here what you have to do? Wherever it is given small letters, that you have to do in capital. So here always sentence begins with capital. So instead of this N you have to write capital. Here India also will come in capital. So the rest Delhi also will come in capital. So wherever I am doing underline, at that place you have to do capital and you have to write it all sentences again. So here Parul live in Canada. So wherever I am doing underline, that later you have to do capital and you have to rewrite the sentence again. So Kabir and Raja are friends. So Kabir and Raja first. Manu love her red scarf. So only Manu will, in Manu only you have to do capital. Here Maya, M capital. Hyderabad also H capital. And Sangeeta also S capital. and everything you have to copy it from the given sentences. Just you have, wherever I have done underline, that you have to do capital letter. Exercise A, write the plural form of this number. It is on page number 93. Dress, dresses, means we have to write plural form. Here all the words are given in singular form, and we have to write it in the plural form. So dress, dresses. Bird, birds. Book, books. Bus, buses. Mango, mangoes. Cloud, clouds. Glass, glasses. Wind, winds. Look at the picture, write the things you see in the correct clouds. What you can see one that you have to write, and what you can see more than one that you have to write. So only one tiger it is there, so we will write tiger here. One elephant is there, so we will write elephant here. One lion is there, so we will write lion here. And one tortoise is there, so we will write tortoise here. Now why we have written here more than one, means here how many rabbits are there? 3. So we will write here rabbits. Monkeys, 1 and 2 monkeys there, so monkeys. Trees are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we will write trees here. And flowers are also more than 1, so we will write flowers, flowers. Look at the picture and describe them. It is on the page number 94. A red flower, you can see the which color it is, red flower, so we will write red flower. A brown monkey, you can see the color of monkey is brown. A gift box, what you can see? Gift box. A tall boy, you can see the boy is tall, so we will write tall here. Fill in the blanks with the correct describing words. The giraffe has a long neck, so answer will come here long. I have a new dress, so answer will come new, because fat dress not coming. Rita has black hair, so what will come? Black. This is an interesting story, so interesting. A tiger has black strips, so answer will come black strips. Write the he name for the given she names. He or she means tigress is all given is female, and this side we have to write male name. Tigress, tiger. Princess, prince. Queen, king. Peahen, peacock. Lioness, lion. Now match the opposite. Dirty, dirty opposite clean. Wet, dry. Cloudy, sunny. Strong, weak. So here chapter ends.